Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to level up your life. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. We're going to reveal 10 incredible ways to earn money while you sleep. That's right, folks, you heard me correctly. Making money without lifting a finger. Let's get started. Way 1. Affiliate marketing. This genius approach allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Simply sign up to be an affiliate, share your unique link, and earn money as people make purchases through your recommendations. Way 2. Passive income through real estate. Investing in rental properties can provide you with a continuous stream of income. With the right strategy and a bit of upfront work, you can have tenants paying you while you sleep. It's like having an ATM machine in your backyard. Way 3. Creating digital products. In this digital age, creating online courses, ebooks, or software has become incredibly lucrative. Once you've put in the time and effort to create your product, it will sell itself while you catch those much-needed Z's. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Stock market investments. With the right knowledge and guidance, investing in stocks can grow your money exponentially over time. Stock trading occurs 24/7, so you can make money while you sleep, leaving the stress to the experts. Way 5. Royalties from creative works. Are you a talented musician, artist, or writer? License your work and get paid every time someone uses it. Whether it's through streaming, publishing, or licensing your artwork, you can make money while you're dreaming of your next masterpiece. Way 6. Online sales and dropshipping. Thanks to the internet, anyone can run an online store and sell products worldwide. With dropshipping, you don't even need to handle inventory or worry about shipping. Set up shop, choose your products, and let the money roll in, even while you're fast asleep. Way 7. Rental income from peer-to-peer platforms. Have an extra room or a spare car sitting idle? Airbnb and other peer-to-peer platforms allow you to monetize these assets. List your space or vehicle, sit back, and watch the bookings and payments flow in while you snooze. Way 8. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks pay you a percentage of a company's profits, regardless of market performance. As you continue to build your portfolio, you'll receive regular payments that can increase your sleep incomes. Way 9. Automated online businesses. With the rise of technology and automation, you can set up online businesses that run independently. Whether it's dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or digital products, utilizing automation tools allows you to earn money while catching up on beauty sleep. Way 10. Investing in profitable websites. Just like real estate, you can invest in websites that generate passive income through advertising or affiliate revenue. Buy a website that's already successful, make some strategic enhancements, and let it generate money for you around the clock. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible ways to earn money while you sleep. Remember, these options require initial effort and strategic planning, but once set up, they provide the possibility of financial freedom. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll be well on your way to transforming your dreams into an incredible reality. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Until next time, happy sleeping. Happy earning.